Lordships, these are batch of 6 writ petitions, my lords. Arbitrarily, the GHMC authorities are trying to bulldoze my shops, my lords. We are all 6 different petitioners, my lords. As lordships are very well aware that the BRS applications of 2015 are seized by the Honorable Supreme Court of India, my lords, pertaining to the Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. And apart from that, this Honorable Court's Division Bench 1 also has stayed. Lordships are aware of that. There is already a stay, a blanket stay, wherein the GHMC has, I mean, represented that they will not demolish anything until the BRS applications are not disposed of.
Ground
That's
floor
it. Ground.
parking area, can it be used for shops?
There is separate parking, my lords. This was disposed to me by the builders, my lords. I have legally purchased with a sale deed. I am paying property tax, and I've also made a BRS application, my lords. I've been arbitrarily made a scapegoat. It's a 30-year-old property, lordships.
If you purchase a parking lot, it becomes legal.
Not
Just because there is a registered sale deed, according to you.
humble submission, my lords. It's been 30 years that I've been staying in this premises, and the only thing is, my lords, one humble submission is the association people have arbitrarily demanded 5 lakh rupees from each shop, I mean each petitioner, my lords. Therefore, like they have borne a grudge and they have given a false complaint to the official respondents, my lords.
Is this residential building?
Yes, your lordship, it's a residential building. I prefer the GHMC. Lordship may see the building permission. The building permission is for still +5, and the shops which are unauthorizedly constructed, the space is meant for specifically for parking, your lordship. It's violating the building permission. They have constructed the shops.
Yes, in parking area, I cannot grant entry.
Humble submission, my lords. There is separate parking as well dedicated for the entire building, my lords. This is just an arbitrary action by both the association members.
Flats are there?
10 flats, my lords. 10 flats.
What is the area?
It is around 600 square yards, your lordships. More than that. Lordships are humble submission, my lords. I'm just
How do you
begging.
think 600 square yards area is enough for parking?
Apologies, my lords. There are 1200 square yards, my lords. 2 plots. They have merged and built the building.
In 1200 square yards, only 10 flats. Huh? No,
Per year, per building.
For each flat, parking is provided since right from the construction lot. It is outside the purview of the parking. They have constructed.
it is meant for parking. In the street area, you have converted it into shops.
Yes.
Yes,
While
Okay,
constructing,
parking area, the regularization scheme is not applicable to parking area.
Lordships, humble
Lordships,
submission.
I
about the parking.
Humble
We
submission.
cannot go into that aspect because building permission says it is for parking.
Yeah.
There ends the
Agreed, my
matter.
lords.
There is no question of you saying that parking is sufficient.
Lordship may make a submission. We already issued a show cause notice on 8/5/2025. Replied to that. Also, they had filed a previous civil suits against the GHMC, which was dismissed, your lordship. And they are since dragging the matter from past 11 years. And if lordship may observe, out of 6 shops, 2 shops are owned by the one owner and 4 shops are owned by the one owner. So, one majority holding. So, just for their own benefit and merely applying for the BRS application, they cannot legalize the unauthorized construction. Also, we have submitted a letter to the commissioner to cancel the BRS application, your lordship.
One humble
Lordship
submission,
may
my
allow
lords.
to seize or demolish the shop, your lordship, because unauthorized construction.
One humble submission, my lords. Right now, no action cannot be taken on the BRS applications as far as the undertaking they have given to this honorable court to the division bench 1, my lords. And also the matter being seized in by the honorable Supreme Court, it will be clear interference, my lords. Lordships are very.
Undertaking for what?
They have given an undertaking, yes, my lords, not to take any further action or dispose of the BRS applications, to keep it pending. This was the undertaking they have given to this honorable court to the division bench, headed by our
You
chief
cannot apply
lordships.
regularization of structures in the parking area. BRS scheme prohibits that.
But this is a commercial area and commercial road, my lords. We have all the permissions intact, my lordships. Humble submission is, we have all the commercial and trade licenses and everything, my lords.
Lordship, may I make a, even though if the plot is situated in the
Today,
commercial,
did you dispose of BRS application?
no, your Lordship, it's still pending. We had written a letter to the commissioner not to consider BRS.
Pending consideration of BRS application of the petitioner being number so and so. Status for pending petition be maintained. By the DHS. This was taken. This will respond to status. And the same person will respond.
Lord,
Lordship, there is
six
also another-
connected cases or my lordships.
Petitioners come here, you see the strain that is caused on the flat owners association.
Obliged, my lords. I'm obliged. We'll take due
How are
care.
you obliged?
I'm grateful for lordship's
Lordship,
observations.
may I,
I'm grateful, my lords.
Lordship, may,
Flat owners association, they have corpus fund. They have to, you are forcing them to enter into this litigation.
Yes.
They have to engage a lawyer, they have to pay fees. And at what cost? Your client is commercially benefited. You will engage a lawyer. Yes, I am happy for your sake, yes.
One-
What about the flat owners? From where will they get money
Yes, your
to
lordships.
bear the expenses of lawyer? Please tell me. You are forcing them into the litigation.
One humble submission, my
Understand
lords.
this, you, there are only two things.
Yes, your lordships.
You settle with them.
One humble
Don't
submission, my
settle,
lords.
nothing, you know the consequences. Because Supreme Court passed status quo
Your
order,
lordships.
I am passing. Actually, ground floor, if it is for parking, you are
obliged.
not entitled for regularization.
Lordship, may I make a submission?
5-8, let us see if there is no settlement.
There are five,
Lordship,
six
but
connected petitions, my
Violation of the
lords.
building
Six
permission.
petitions.
Violation, violating
Today
the.
BRS application is there, Supreme Court directed all the high courts and GHMC all over India to maintain status quo. Same order passed in 2015, same order I am passing, did I pass any new order?
I oblige you, Lordship, but
2015 now.
like the submissions made by the petitioner is the, even though the property is situated in the semi-commercial area, they have not applied for the, like, they have constructed a shop which is meant for the space, which is meant for the parking. They have to
You
apply for the conversion, your
Reject
Lordship.
the regularization application,
Oblige you, Lord.
pending consideration, I said status.
Wait. Connected matters, my lordships, 6 to 11.
Where, yes,
5, 6, 5,
6 to 9, your Lordship, and
Five.
item number 14.
6 to 9 and 14.
Also, there is another connected matter which is not numbered, your Lordship.
So today these are lunch portion matters.
I'm eternally obliged, my lords. Deeply obliged.
Oblige.
Yeah, please, my lord. My lord, file the petition against the respondent, my lord, for 100